Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to set up and use Amazon Alexa on your Fitbit Versa 2. The Fitbit Versa 2 is loaded with great features. One of those features is the ability to connect your Fitbit and Amazon Alexa accounts so you can interact with Alexa on your Fitbit smartwatch. After linking Alexa to your Fitbit Versa 2, you'll have the ability to use Alexa to set a timer, set an alarm, check the weather, and ask a variety of other questions. Connecting your Fitbit Versa 2 to your Alexa account only takes a few minutes. Now let's walk through the steps to set up Amazon Alexa on your Fitbit Versa 2. Step 1. Launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on the Fitbit Today screen. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the upper left corner of the screen. The account screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap your Fitbit Versa 2 in the list of connected devices. The information screen for your Fitbit Versa 2 appears. Step 4. Tap Amazon Alexa. The Amazon Alexa screen appears. Step 5. Tap Login with Amazon at the bottom of the screen. A dialog box pops up on the screen notifying you that the Fitbit app wants to open Amazon. Tap Open. A Welcome to Alexa screen appears. Tap Get Started toward the bottom of the screen. An Amazon Consent screen appears. Step 6. Review the Amazon Consent screen and then tap Allow at the bottom of the screen if you want to move forward. The next screen asks if you want to share your current location with Amazon for better responses. Choose either Use Location or Not Now at the bottom of the screen. Step 7. The Alexa Skill for Fitbit screen appears, asking you to choose what data you want to give Alexa access to. Make your selections and then tap Allow. The Connected screen appears, informing you that you've successfully connected your Fitbit Versa 2 to your Amazon Alexa account. Now you need to change the button on the side of your Fitbit Versa 2 to make sure it's set up to access Alexa. Let's walk through those steps. Step 1. Swipe from right to left across your Fitbit Versa 2 watch face until you see the Settings app and then tap Settings. The Settings menu appears. Step 2. Scroll down the screen until you see Left button. Tap Left button to change the feature it controls, which is displayed in the lower right corner of that section. Stop when it says Alexa. Now, when you hold down the left button on your Fitbit Versa 2 for a few seconds, it will summon Alexa on your smartwatch's home screen for you to engage with. Let me know what your favorite Fitbit Versa 2 feature is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.